So, if you are living with your romantic partner or you're thinking about moving in with your romantic partner, I have some words of wisdom for you. And you can think of me as your big sister or maybe even your mom, but listen carefully because in the state of Texas, when you share a residence with somebody, it is possible for there to give rise to a claim for common law marriage. One of the big mistakes is that people think there's a duration that you have to live together before that comes into effect, and that's not true in Texas. So if you have lived together in Texas, you have intended to be married, and you held yourself out as being married, then you may be subject to a claim of common law marriage. And you're saying to me, no, 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 but wait, we talked about getting married, but we never got married. We never had a wedding. We never had a ceremony. And that doesn't really matter. Why is this a big deal? Well, if you got a great job and you've been earning a lot of money and the other side has just been spending all their money, they may have a claim against you for half of your savings during the marriage. So community property comes into effect. The other thing to know is there's no such thing as common law divorce. So you don't just get divorced by living apart. You actually have to get a divorce once you've been married. My advice is before you move in with somebody who you love and want to share your life with, enter into a cohabitation agreement, which at least spells out the fact that you all are not married and that if you do decide to get married, it will be a formal wedding.